Ready to go skiing.
We're about to go skiing.
Stoked.
Hit that. You want to put my water bottle? It's Bluebird Day. It's not even raining at all.
Alright, go ahead guys, let me catch up.
Dog, you have to say something.
Go, please. How's everyone feeling? Please. So I was remember.
My throat.
Yes.
Arr, arr, arr.
Drop into this thing, bro. Yeah.
Yeah, pretty please.
I'll put the shoes.
Yes.
Oh. We just finished a really cool hike, and I just made $1 million overnight on some crazy crypto shit. Destroying your physics.
Wait, move.
This is the wettest denim jacket ever, bro. What's physics is shoes, man? The shoes. Thanks, bro. Alright. Alright, man.
You gotta get your Air Jordans out of there too, man.
Oh shit, I think they got more wet.
We just leave this. Just on the ground now.
Boom, 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 boom.
Is that yours?
You got this.
Guys, I'm really helpful in these
Guys,
situations.
just do your thing.
Excuse me.
I want you to stay.